Fit like Abdi, I hope you're all keeping well, and welcome to Fishing Things. Now, today I'm wanting to show you the bow wave boat rod, because this is a rod that we've been using in our boatie. We hire them out actually for over a year now, and they're still going strong in spite of all the different folk using them. You can imagine when you're hiring gear out, you get battered about and I think. There hasn't been no damage on them so far. So, fine strong rods and really lightweight, fine and light and balanced in your hand. So if I can get us out of here, it's a two-piece rod, two-piece bow wave boat rod. Bow wave. I hope you can see that there. Yeah, sure. And it's 15 to 30 pound strength if it's measured at. Nope. Just pops in here. Yeah, we looky at it. Bow wave boat rod. Now, as I say, really light, perfectly balanced, yet strong, really strong. Now, I'm going to match it up with a Fladdan Chieftain 30. And multiplier. Now I personally like the multipliers for a boat, but they're not so good at casting, but for me they're perfect for a boat. Now, watch that. And of course that seems you work upside down, as most of you can already. And smooth reel, and it's got the star drag for your clutch. Clicker on this side. Fine noisy clicker, so you can when you get a fish on. No, that's it anyway. Bow wave boat rod. I think it was a WSB tackle. It marks those things. And of course I've matched it with a Fladdan Chieftain 30 level wind. For me that's a good combination. Fine and light and balanced for a boatie. 6 foot long, I think it is. Right, 6 foot long. So just a 2 or 3 inches bigger than me, a couple of inches or so. Okay, I'll catch you after.